in an online program initially was quite intimidating for me. This was my first online anything experience, but I found it to be quite rewarding, and I actually prefer it now to an in-person class just because I was offered the same opportunities as you would in a real in-person like class, down to how much time I spent interacting with the professors as well as my peers. So being an online program, I found it to be quite valuable just as much it would be in person. Some of my favorite classes would include healthcare management, and that one just because it allowed me to adopt the vernacular needed when I was entering into the business side of healthcare. It also allowed me to learn different communication techniques and different ways of writing as well. And I thought that was quite vital to the program and especially real life application. Also things like financial management, I had no sort of any introduction when it came to finance, but the content in that class was very applicable to the real world, especially the projects that we did. So I thoroughly enjoyed learning in that class. I thought that I would lose that connection and that ability to interact with them as much as I did in person, but if anything, I was offered more time with them and I was offered more opportunities, and they were always readily available and also provided more than enough resources I needed to excel in the class. I saw my oral presentation skills grow, especially just because we have a lot of presentations, and I was more confident in my presentation skills, also my writing style as well. The professors really work with you and are quite patient in strengthening your skills and making sure that you're ready to be a future healthcare professional. I would tell possible applicants that the online community is not intimidating at all, and that the program and the professors work quite well with you if you are participating in a full-time or even part-time job, and that they'll always be readily available and provide ample resources needed to excel in the program and the class.